Hey everybody, today I'm going to do an unboxing of a large order of cars I received. This is going to be my last box for a little bit unless I win the Datsun, which I'm trying to get. I don't think I'm going to win it because it's probably, usually those international models tend to go up in price after a while, so it's just not worth, unfortunately, bidding after a certain point because they're going to tend to go up after a while. But let me get this box open and show you what's in here. So this is the Super Comp Dragster. It's in brown. This is the Fright Bike. F Racer. Let me see what else is in here. The Scorcher. The Praying Menace. This one, for some reason, this one kept eluding me for the longest time. I never actually picked this one up, and it was kind of weird. It took me so long to get this one. 84 Pontiac in green. The You're So Fast, which is in yellow. '84 Pontiac in blue. Fright Bike in green. Turbine Time in red. There's a lot more in here. We're not done. Split Decision. Barbaric. What else is in here? Let me check. Okay, we have the Night Burner. Urban Agent. I do like a lot of the older fantasy cars, guys, so if there's some fantasy stuff in here, then that's probably why, because I do like the older fantasy stuff. This is an interesting one. This is a custom 69 Chevy Redline in gold. Humvee. Pikes Peak Tacoma. MIG Rig. Double Demon. Super Comp Dragster again. 40s Wood 37 Ford. Fast Fish, and finally the Mitsubishi Eclipse. Then you guys.